Hello everyone, and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off animation effects in Windows 11. And now, let's get started. To disable animation effects in Windows 11, begin by opening the Windows search bar. Type the word Performance into the search bar. From the search results, select the option labeled Adjust the Appearance and Performance of Windows. This action will open a new window. In this window, you will find various visual effect settings. Focus on the first three options, which are animation effects. Deselect or uncheck these first three animation effect options. Once you have made your selections, click on the Apply button, located at the bottom of the window. Finally, click on OK to confirm the changes and exit the window. These steps will effectively disable the animation effects throughout your Windows 11 operating system. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.